Uh, Today we are going to talk about program how we write in QBASIC and the related graphics. So what is graphics? So graphics helps us to write a program like maybe the animations, drawing lines, circles, moving the circles, animating the lines, making the games. For this type of task, we have to use the graphics concept. So there is called graphics coding in QBASIC. And how we write the code related to graphics in QBASIC. For that, there are some commands we have to use them, like a screen. First of all, we have to activate the graphics mode, and for that we have to use a screen, and with that we have to use 1 to that is 12. It means higher resolution. Yes, we can use with this screen keyword. Next is the preset. It is used to draw single pixel. Example is here in different colors. And next is a line. To draw the line, we use this line keyword, that is command. And here is a simple example. Line. This is the x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is the color. And this B means the box. We'll see through example. And next is a circle. It is used to draw the circle. Paint to fill the shape with color. Color to set the drawing of color. Draw to draw the different shapes using string commands. And locate to display the text at particular position and the location. So these are all the commands. Apart from these, we have some more commands. We'll see casually one by one. And let's see a very simple example using this drawing circle and activating the graphics. Now let's run it. So yeah, we have the output. We can see hello graphics. Yes. Let's understand line by line. First of all, we have to activate the graphics, and for that we have to use the screen 1 2, means it activates the graphic, and 1 2 means high resolution, we can say. In basic graphics mode, okay, we can also use the screen 9 and 13 and the 7. So when we use screen 13, it uses 256 color. When we use screen 9, it uses 640 into 350 with say 16 colors. And if we use screen 7, that is 16 colors with resolution 320 into 200. So base is there. 12 screen 12. So this is the base option because it uses resolution is there 640 into 480 with 16 colors. So this is the best option. We can also use that like screen 7 or 9 or 13. So these all are applicable. But when we talk about the resolution, and this one is the best choice. Yes. And this color, it says the color of the text we are going to print. For that we have to use the color like I said, that command just we discussed there. This is the color, says the drawing color, and this 1 3 is the value we have to give there. So this value it varies between 0 and 15. All of the digits we cannot put there, and this is the text we want to print on the screen, and the output is here. That is the colorful output hello graphics. Yes, we can change the color here. Let's change the color. Suppose if that is 1 1, now what would happen there? So we have got different color here. Yes, yes. So it's very simple graphic program. In this way we can use it. Now let's write one more program in which we will be drawing circle. Let's save it first. As we type the circle, we can see in the window that it is showing us a reference. That is the syntax of circle. First, we have to put the x and y value. That is x value and the y value. Let's give 100. So x is the radius. What radius we want to put that? Suppose that is 16. And next we can put the color. So int. Now going to run it. Here is the color here. So this 12, it is the color of boundary. We can see this 16, this is the radius of this circle, and this 100, it is the x value, and this is the y value, y coordinate and the x coordinate. We can say we can change this. Let's keep not 16, 100. Here is a bigger circle, yes and no, and the x and y coordinate values, they are same. We can also change it. If we change it, then the circle it becomes elliptical shape and any other. I hope you know some of this one. If any query, use the comment box. Okay, thank you.